All right, everyone. Last part for today. Last thing we're going to do, and then tomorrow we're going to go into inequalities. Inequalities going to be a little different, but we have 4 days of that, so we should be okay. Perimeter. So, perimeter, you should have learned since elementary, third grade, something like that. Perimeter, we should know, is adding all sides. If you don't trust me, look it up. Perimeter means adding all the sides of whatever figure we're doing. And guess what adding is? Boom! Combine like terms. I am going to throw in a distribution part of it, but adding all sides, it's going to be combined like terms. We're adding all the same partners. So let's draw it out. I'm going to do a triangle. All right, triangle. One side, let's make it a little fun. I got 2x squared plus 3. On the other side, let's do 3 parentheses x minus 2. And my other side, let's make it fun. Let's go with 5x squared minus x. Looks a little complicated, ladies and gentlemen, but don't worry. Let's make it interesting. Perimeter means adding on all sides. I don't want to leave it like that. It looks too scary for me. So let's fix it. I'm going to get each side and just write it in a straight row. Check it out. I got this side. I got 2x squared with my plus 3. I'm going to add. Let's do the next side. Boom. Let's do this side because it looks a little complicated. I got 3 parentheses x. Before I move on, this x, I need a number right in front of it. Hopefully you remember from the first video. Not the first video for today, but from before. What number should I put in front of this x? It's an imaginary 1, so make sure you always put that imaginary 1 so I don't get confused. Let's go on. Minus 2 parentheses plus my last part, got 5x squared minus x. Again, I have this x by itself. I need a number right in front of it. What should I put? Out loud, scream it out loud. I know I need to put a 1, sir. All right, let's put a 1. And now this looks like a problem that I've been doing. Yes, it's very large. It's huge. But I know we can do it. Let's do the next part. Distribution. Do I see any parentheses here? Yeah, sir. It's right there in the middle. Boom. Let's take care of it. What number should I circle to start sharing, multiplying? Let's do this 3. All right. 3 times a 1. Hopefully everyone knows how to do 3 times 1. If not, use the calculator. No worries. I got 3 times 1x, which is 3x. Next part, I got 3 times a negative 2. Very long, guys, so if you need to replay this video, don't worry. Take your time. 3 times negative 2 does give me a negative 6. Sir, there's a lot of stuff. No worries. Let's bring it all down so we don't get confused. Let's bring it all down. We got 2x squared plus a 3 plus the new stuff we just did. Let's bring down this plus 5x squared minus 1x. You already know what I'm going to say next. We got to do the combine like terms. We got to find all the partners that match up together. So let's start. Who is the partner for 2x squared? Who else has this x squared? Does this 3 have it? Nope. Does this 3x have it? Sir, it has an x. Yeah, you're right. It does have an x, but this x match this x squared. No, it does not. Let's keep looking. Someone tell me when to stop. Boom! 5x squared is the same thing as 2x squared. So I know these guys are partners. Let's line them up. I got 2x squared plus 5x squared. I don't touch the squares. That's not until next semester. So all I got to do is 2 plus 5. Somebody do 2 plus 5. Use your fingers. 5 plus 2. What do I get? We got 7x squared. Great. That's one part. Let's do the next. We can do 3's. That's fine. But let's do the x's because I want to get rid of the x's. Who's the next partner for 3x? Loud and proud. Is it 3? No, it does not have an x. So let's look at the next person. Is it minus 6? No, it does not have an x. What about this minus 1x? Yes. Don't forget that this minus sign does carry with the 1. So it's negative 1x. Let's do that next. We got 3x plus negative 1. Put this in your calculator if you're not sure. 3 plus negative 1 does give me a positive 2x. Very nice long problem, guys. You might need a piece of paper or something good to go. And my last two things that I need to put together, I got a positive 3. And the only number that's left, negative 6. I hope you guys can see I underlined, I boxed, and I circled, just so I can know all the differences between all the terms, okay? Let's do this last part. I got 3 plus negative 6. 3 plus negative 6. Calculator, negative 3. Put all these together as my final answer. 7x squared positive 2x. Do I need to put plus negative 3? Remember, you can, but let's just leave it as is. Minus 3. There's my answer, ladies and gentlemen. This was a very awesome problem, one of my favorite problems for the beginning of the school year. Please remember, you can always replay it, look at it again. If you need any more questions, if you want to work out more problems, please tell me. I would love to set up a video conference or do whatever we got to do to make sure you understand this, okay? Awesome.